Deep in a lush green jungle, there lived an elephant named Ellie. A tiger named Tigo watched from behind the bushes, he said with a grin. Ellie turned, surprised but not scared. Want to see who can collect more fruit for the jungle animals? Ellie and Tigo started their contest. Ellie used her long trunk to gently pick fruit from the highest branches, while Tigo leaped gracefully through the trees, knocking down ripe fruit with his powerful paws. The jungle animals gathered to watch, cheering for both competitors. As the contest went on, Ellie noticed Tigo struggling to reach a tall branch with some juicy mangoes. "Need a lift?" she asked with a smile. Tigo hesitated, but then climbed onto Ellie's back. Together, they reached the mangoes, and Tigo knocked them down with a swipe of his paw. By the end of the day, Ellie and Tigo had gathered enough fruit for all the animals. They realized they made a great team. The jungle animals cheered as everyone enjoyed a big feast. From that day on, Ellie and Tigo became best friends. They learned that even though they were different, they could achieve so much more by working together. The jungle animals admired their teamwork and celebrated their friendship.